In this video, we will show you how to backup restore on Bluehost. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So, begin. Okay, so performing a backup and restore on Bluehost or any web hosting service is crucial for a lot of reasons, all right? Say for example, there's unintended deletion of files of content or configurations on your website. Having a backup allows you to easily recover the lost data without, starting from scratch. It can be a major problem, right? And before major updates or changes to your website, performing a backup ensures that if anything goes wrong during the process, you can always revert it to a stable previous version quickly. Some cases, like say for example, your website experiences a security breach or malware attack, of course, having a recent backup is really handy because it allows you to restore the site to a clean state before the breach occurred. Now, how do we do that here in Bluehost? Simply, what we need to do, log in, of course, to your Bluehost control panel. You need to navigate to Advanced, File Manager, click on the Site Backup, and Restore menu. Now, just navigate to the public underscore HTML folder of your domain, select the files, then now right-click and select Compress. Of course, you can then download the backup by right-clicking on it and selecting Download, alright? And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in our next video.